So what's up, you guys? I'm on location. I'm going to teach you guys how to put out a fire. I'm going to teach you how to make a cold brew coffee. You ever just have a yearning for some cold grounds? Well, here we go. So first thing you're going to need is a drill. This will make more sense later. So first, let's get a cup. Stupid friction. Okay, there we are. Look at this. Marvel at it. Okay, now that we have taken the time to honor our cup before we make out with it, we are going to next get one of these things. I think it's called a filter. Something that I personally don't have. Okay, now we're going to take this. See, like this. See how I did that? It's a couple filters there. Push it on now. Now, the next step is we're going to need some coffee. Now make sure you get some high brand, nice coffee. See, this is the good stuff. Maxwell House. Never even heard of this brand, to be honest. Anyway, take a generous dose. Trying to do this and hold your camera. Okay, there we go. Let's put the lid back on. Oh. I put it upside down. Oh my goodness, I'm so stupid. You're gonna put this away down here. Ah! Always make sure you put your stuff away when you're finished with it. Okay, now we add the cream. I'm just joking. First, we're gonna need some water. So I'm gonna grab a cup. Couldn't do that again if you asked me to. Gonna go get some water. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my water from the other cup. Make sure you marvel at it. Okay. Now, here comes the tricky part. I don't know if I can... Okay. You ready? Pour the water in there. Just a little bit at a time, right? Okay, this is getting a lot more complicated than I meant for this video to become. Let's soak some. Squeeze it on out. Doesn't that look appetizing? Some more water through there. Doesn't have to be any specific temperature. Preferably cold, since this is a cold brew. This looks disgusting, but trust me, it'll be worth it. And I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Okay, now that we've let this sit for a while, become nice and dark. Take it out, squeeze it some, make sure get out all of the nutritious juices from our kombucha here. Okay, now I'm gonna do whatever you want to with that, I guess. Save it, give it to your kid, give it to your dog to choke on, whatever. Throw that in a garbage can. Look at that. Beautiful coffee. A little grit never hurt anyone, okay? Okay, now we're gonna get some creamer. Opening with one hand. Don't spill, please, don't spill. There we go. Throw that in there. Trash can. This one's for some flavor. Okay. Throw that in there. Trash can. Okay, now it's time for the sugar. Now as we steep the sugar. Okay, that's one. That's two. Go very generous with the sugar. But this stuff is gonna taste terrible. I mean, it just needs some sweetener, you know? Okay, this. Trash. Let's grab our little stir. Like I said, a little grit never hurt anyone. Now we still have this leftover grit, and if you really can't stand it, grab that cup you used earlier, and let me grab the handy dandy this. Just grab one, stick it in this cup, right? Put this back away, and now we're gonna take this. And we're just gonna pour this into this. Filter it all out. And there's our finished product. Nice cold brew. As with any product, we must drink. Well, here we have it. Whoa, that's good. That's strong and good and yummy. I would suggest drinking it in small portions at a time. Maybe sip on it. Don't take it all in one sitting, but it's really good actually. I highly suggest it.